Okay, we are trying out 2 drift cameras. Trying out the new one, the Drift 4K, and the other one is the one that I've been using for quite some time, the Drift Ghost S. Now, the Drift Ghost S is on its highest setting at 1080 at 60 frames a second. The other one, the Drift 4K, I've left on 1080 but at 120 frames a second with video stabilisation. Now, I haven't tried these both together, and I guess that's what you've got to do, isn't it? You've got to try these things side by side, otherwise you don't get a true reflection to see if it's worth upgrading. Now, here's a little point for you. The 4K, in fact the 1080 at 120 frames a second, the computer finds it difficult to handle. But there are software programs out there, editing systems out there, that will enable you to cope on not a standard computer, but one with a decent bit of power to be able to edit these. So check them out. Final Cut and Adobe Premiere Pro both offer systems where you can edit up to 4K on what could be classed as a slow computer. I have to say it is a tad nippy today, just a smidgen. Now, there are a number of cameras on the market, there are. You've got your GoPro, there's the Drift, there's a new one seems to have appeared called the Yi, or the Yi, Y-I, that's not Y-I, man. What camera do you use? I use a YI. So hopefully this has been a good test, because the road is undulating and it's not smooth. A lot of the times I'm on roads like this when I'm doing my filming, so you're not going to get much rougher of a test than this, except if you go off road and do the trialing or the trailing or the getting muddy. Apologies for the sniffing. Oh God, my nose has gone all runny like. There's John with his car, likes his classic cars.